To calculate the angle in between these two vectors, I'm going to use this rearranged formula for the dot product. And I'm going to start by finding the dot product in the numerator by multiplying the first component in each vector and adding the multiplication of the second component in each vector. And then I'm going to divide by the magnitude of each vector. And to do that, I take the first component and square it, and then I add the square of the second component and take the square root. And I'm going to do the same thing for the second vector, which gives me 9 squared plus negative 6 squared. And I'm going to take the square root of that as well and multiply those two together. Now, it doesn't really matter what I get in the denominator because you can see that the numerator is actually equal to 0. So this whole thing is going to be equal to 0. Now, that's really great because I'm working with the cosine of theta. So if I take the cos inverse of 0, I'm going to get 90 degrees. And that is a property of any two vectors that have an angle of 90 degrees in between them. They're going to have a dot product of 0.